ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾ ಪ್ರಭು ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಪ್ರಭು
प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का एक फ़ोटो कुछ
ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಇದು
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
ನೀವು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರಭು ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮೊದಲು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರಭು
ಹೀಗೇನಾ ಹಾಂ
ಹಾಂ
लक्ष्मी सहर्ष सतसंभ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि जलायताक्षं गर्भावृतं समसितं पुरसुन्दराङ्गं कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभं गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि आलालचन्द्रकलसर्वनमायगं सेदान्ताङ्गतं च नयकेलिकलाविलासं श्यामं शिवङ्गललितं यथा प्रकाशं गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि अङ्गानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पन्ति कलयन्ति चिरं चकन्ति आनन्दचिन्मयसदुज्ज्वलविग्रहस्य गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिरनन्तरूपम् आद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च वेदेषु दुर्लभमदुर्लभमध्वभक्तो गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि अन्धास्तु कोटिशतवत्सरसम्प्रगाम्यो वायोरथापि मनसो मुनिपुङ्गपानो सोऽभ्यस्तिरर्थफलसंज्ञविचिन्त्यतत्त्वे गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि एकोऽभ्यसोरचरितं जगदान्धकोटिं यच्छक्तिरस्ति जगदान्धचयान्तरन्तात् अनन्तरस्य परमाणुचयान्तरस्तां गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि यद्भावभावतर्यो मनुजस्तथैव्यं सम्प्राप्य रूपमहिमा शनयानभूषा शुक्तयमेव निजमां प्रतितैस्तु मन्ति गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मयरसातलिताविताभिस्ताव्यय एव निजरूपतया कलाभिस् गोलोक एव निजसत्यखिलात्मभूतौ गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि गोविन्दमारि पुरुषान्तमहं भजामि
1966, exactly 50 years before. In fact, at that time, very surprising, the age of the Acharya was 70 years. I think many of us are now becoming old. Just imagine at the 70 years of age, you decide to launch a worldwide movement with 40 rupees in your pocket. Even if you have money, you will think 2 times. And without money, what he tried to do was impossible. And actually what he is teaching is not that some idea came to his mind, let him spread. No. He represents a chain of teachings from Srila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you heard about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the incarnation of God which appeared 500 years ago in Bengal. It's much less known here, but if you go to Odisha, you go to Bengal or Vrindavan, practically every temple worships this deity. Now he had said that if somebody in Kali Yuga can chant the name of God, everything will become perfect. Kirtanaya Sadahari, he used to say always chant the names of the Lord. And actually this message is, same thing was repeated by Madhvacharya. He said, Kalau nama matrena pujate Bhagwan Hari. In Sanskrit, just by chanting name of Hari, you can worship the Lord. Or Purandara Das said in Kannada, Hari Nam Bande Sako. Okay, so all of us appreciate. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years ago gave a personal example how to be a devotee. And his movement has been coming down, but actually he himself was coming in the Sampradaya of Madhvacharya. Okay. Then the succession, another stalwart Acharya before Srila Prabhupada was Bhakti Vinod Thakur in a parampara, and he pioneered the whole movement by voluminous writing and preaching, and it was continued by his son, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who is the guru of our founder, Srila Prabhupada. He established in the time of Britishers 64 mathas in India. 64 mathas. In fact, 3 were abroad, 61 were in India. And he is the one who ordered the Acharya. In fact, it's very surprising. In 1922, when the Acharya was 26-year-old, he was born in 1896. So 4 more years you have to add, 4 plus 22. 1922, he was 26-year-old. Just like you have come to the temple, he went to see the first time his guru, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. And when he paid obeisance and he got up, before he got up, he got the order. Why don't young person like you spread this mission all around the world? But at that time, he had a limitation. He was already married. He had a child. But he kept trying for 44 years. In fact, I request all of you to read his biography. This kind of a struggle has not happened in the history. And in 1922, he met him first when he got the order to spread, and he started working. And 1932, he became formally taken Diksha from him. And 1936, before his guru passed away, he sent him a written order. I want you to do this work. And that's how the movement started developing. This is 1922, 1933, when he took the Diksha from his spiritual master. Here is the founder of ISKCON as Prabhupada. But things were not happening, and at around something like he was publishing books. He was trying to launch the movement, obviously from India, to have the headquarters in India. But nobody was supporting him. And then he took upon the let me go. You know the story of Pisa. Pisa is actually from Italy. But nobody in Italy used to like it. It used to be considered a poor man's sport. But what happened, one person got an idea. He took the pizza to America from Italy. And it became an instant hit in America, became #1 dish. Even now in India it is so popular. Then he came back to his country. He said everybody in America eats pizza. So they started. The same way, our Acharya was for 44 years trying to launch the movement in India. From 26 years to 70 years, nobody listened to him. The same person, you can look at his lectures with the same intensity, the same devotion. But when he went to America and he brought from America, he made 5,000 disciples in 4 years. When he brought them back to India, but seeing that, India got very interested. And now the movement has actually taken very firm root in the world, in India. Presently, India leads the preaching in the whole world. I come from Delhi. In my city itself, there are 14 ISKCON temples. There is Santanagar, there is Punjabi Bagh, Noida, all huge temples. In Bombay now we have 4 big temples. So now it has taken a very firm root in India. The mission office, whose parents also did not know the name of Krishna, just 2 years old in the movement, to London to start the movement like him. They went without any money. And they succeeded in convincing George Harrison, which was like maybe India's Amitabh Bachchan today, very popular person, to accept the movement. And the movement then started expanding very fast. He made people hippies to happies. Then the movement expansion, 1970, now only 4-year-old movement is now in every continent. The same way he went to America without money and disciples started taking inspiration from that. 1971 he came back to India with 500 disciples from America mainly. And it was a big program, it became the movement started taking ground in India. And 1977 he left the world. His samadhi in 1977 in Vrindavan. Just within 12 years, the movement was formed. So what he did, he established 100 temples, traveled the world several times. He initiated 5,000 disciples, and the vows are not easy. His vows were, you have to get up in the morning till 30, you have to chant 16 malas of Hare Krishna mantra, which takes 2 hours. You have to refrain from intoxication, gambling, illicit sex, and even meat, which are difficult even to make in India a person accept. And many times, in the beginning time when he struggled for 1 or 2 years, some people came to him, Swamiji, why don't you relax one of the rules? He said, the process will not work if I relax this rules.
And I didn't find anything interesting, but one book said, Coming Back. Actually, the title in Spanish is Taking Birth Again. So that really shocked me, like Taking Birth Again, that sounds so interesting. So it was a book of His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada about reincarnation. And there were a few stories about reincarnation. I found them very interesting. And at that time, I became completely convinced that yes, that is reincarnation. But I haven't had association of devotees, so I didn't.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
ಜನ
ईश्वर परमा कृष्ण सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादिर्गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम चिंतामणि प्रकर सत्म सुकल्प वृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मी सहस्रशत संभ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि वेणुं क्वणन्तमरविन्ददलायताक्षं बर्हावतं समसिताम्बुधसुन्दराङ्गं कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आलोलचन्द्रकलसद्वनमाल्यवंशी रत्नाङ्गदं प्रणयकेलिकलाविलासं श्यामं त्रिभङ्गललितं नियतप्रकाशं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि अङ्गानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति आनन्दचिन्मय सदुज्ज्वल विग्रहस्य गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपम् आद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च वेदेषु दुर्लभमदुर्लभमात्मभक्तौ गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि पन्थास्तु कोटिशतवत्सरसम्प्रगम्यो वायोरथापि मनसो मुनिपुङ्गवानां सोऽप्यस्ति यत्र पदसेऽन्यविचिन्त्य तत्त्वे गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि एकोऽप्यसौ रचयितुं जगदण्डकोटिं यच्चक्तिरस्ति जगदण्डचयाय दन्त अण्डान्तरस्थपरमाणुचयान्तरस्थं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यद्भावभावितधियो मनुजा तथैव सम्प्राप्य रूपमहिमासनयानभूषा सूक्तैर्यमेव निगमा प्रतितैः सुवन्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मय रसा पुरुषं तमहं भजामि प्रेमाञ्जनाचुरितभक्तिविलोचनेन शान्तः सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति यं श्यामसुन्दरमचिन्त्य गुणस्वरूपं गोविन्दमायस्य प्रभा प्रभवतो कोटिष्वशेषवसुधादिविभूतिभिन्नं तद्ब्रह्मनिष्कलमनन्तमशेषभूतं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि माया हि यस्य जगदण्डशतानि सूते त्रैगुण्यतद्विषयवेदवितायमाना सत्त्वावलम्बि परसत्त्वं विशुद्धसत्त्वं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मयरसात्मतया मनस्सु या प्राणिनां प्रतिफलं स्मरतामुपेत्य लीलायितेन भुवनानि जयत्यजस्रं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोलोकनाम्नि निजदाम्नि तले च तस्य देवी महेश हरिधाम सुतेषु तेषु ते प्रभावनिचया विहिताश्च येन गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि कृतगस्ति हेतो या शम्भुतामपि तथा समुपैति कार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि दीपाचिरेव हि दशान्तरमभ्युपेत्य दीपायते विवृतहेतुसमानधर्म यस्तादृगेव हि च विष्णुतया विभाति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि या कारणर्णवजले भजति स्म योगा निद्रामनन्तजगदण्डसरोमकूप आधारशक्तिमवलम्ब्य परां स्वमूर्तिं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यस्यैकनिश्वसितकालमथावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति रोमविलजा जगदण्डनाथ विष्णुर्महान् स इह यस्य कलाविशेषो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि भास्वान्यताश्मशकलेषु निजेषु तेज स्वीयं कियत् प्रकटयत्यपि तद्वदत्र ब्रह्माय एष जगदण्डस्वरूप गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यत्पादपल्लवयुगं विनिधाय कुम्भ द्वन्द्वे प्रणाम सभये सघनाधिराजा विघ्नां विहन्तुमलमस्य जगत्त्रयस्य गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि अग्निर्मही गगनमम्बुमरुदिशश्च कालस्तथात्ममनसि जगत्त्रयाणि यस्माद्भवन्ति विभवन्ति विशन्ति यं च गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यच्चक्षुरेश सविता सकलग्रहाणां राजा समस्तसुरमूर्तिरशेषतेज यस्याज्ञया भ्रमति संवृतकालचक्रो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि धर्मोतपापनिचया विहिताश्च येन धर्मोतपापनिचया श्रुतयस्तपांसि ब्रह्मादिकीटपतगावदयश्च जीव यद्दत्तमात्रविभवा प्रकटप्रभावा गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यस्वेन्द्रगोपमथवेन्द्रमहोस्वकर्म बन्धानुरूपफलभाजनमातनोति कर्माणि निर्दहति किन्तु च भक्तिभाजां गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यं क्रोधकामसहजा प्रणयादिभीति वात्सल्यमोहगुरुगौरवसेव्यभावै चिन्त्य तस्य सदृशीं तनुमापुरेति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि प्रिया कान्ता कान्ता परमपुरुषा कल्पतरवो द्रुमा भूमिश्चिन्तामणि गणमयितोऽयममृतं कथागानं नाट्यं गमनम् अपि वंशे प्रियसखी चिदानन्दं ज्योति परमपि तदा स्वाद्यमपि च स यत्र क्षीराब्दे स्रवति सुरभिभ्यश्च सुमहान् निमेषार्धाख्यो वा व्रजति न हि यत्रापि समयः भजे श्वेतद्वीपं तमहमिह गोलोकमिति यं विदन्तस्ते सन्ताक्षितिविरलाचारा कतिपये हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare.
This is one in Vraja. Okay? In Vraja Krishna, Krishna shows his five Shanta Dasa Sakhya Vatsalya Madhurya. I think all of you understand. We are living with five relationships. Somebody we just respect. Somebody comes home, is a very nice doctor. Shant, there is a practical service. Dasya, we are engaged in practical service. Just like the cows of Krishna, Shanta. Next, Dasya, Hanuman. Sakhya, Arjuna. Vasalya, Mother Yashoda. Madhurya, the gopis, or Rukmini Satyabhama. You understand? We are also living in this world in these five relationships. Very important point. Your happiness comes from these five relationships, not from the money. Therefore, if the people live a regulated life, they can be very happy, independent of money. Prabhupada gives an example. In India, he was in a particular city. He saw a rickshaw pulling. One side his wife was pulling, one side he was pulling. On the trailer they had a child. And he says they were so happy. Correct? So happiness doesn't depend. Happiness depends on these five rasas. But then in this world, these rasas are covertly reflected. Just like milk becomes curd. They're not pure. As much drama we may do, actually they are not satisfied. With Krishna, you can have any one of the five relationships and have total, unimaginable satisfaction. That is why we're celebrating Krishna, their master. We're trying to connect with Krishna. We're all trying to connect with Krishna. Prabhuji gave a very nice example. Just like when you have a mobile nowadays, we are very conscious, is there any wireless? And when we see wireless, we want to know the password. Correct? We come to some college, railway station, immediately we see wireless is there. Only the password we are very keen. Then we can connect. So Krishna is also like that. You can connect to Krishna, but provided you know the password. What is the password? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And when you connect to Krishna, you will see unlimited ananda in any one of the five. But all five are fully satisfied, but there is variety. Always, you know, Madhurya is higher than the Vasalya. Therefore, no Sas Bahu can go together. Because the mother cannot understand why the daughter-in-law has taken the son. She doesn't know Madhurya is more stronger than Vasalya. And Vasalya is more stronger than Sakhya. You will first take care of the child, not the friend. And Sakhya is more powerful than Dasya. My friend comes first before my servant. Like that, you can understand. It's a systematic science actually. I remember once I was selling book in a train, and there was a person who was a Christian. He said, I agree we should love God. I said, but we love God in 5 ways. Shanta, Dasa, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. Wonderful. Give me the book. There's so much knowledge is there actually. We accept knowledge in every religion. But Vedas reveal so much more details. Then, this we can go, Prema. This all goes to Mahabhava. You'll not be able to read now. So the Raga, like that. Let us go fast. So even in Madhurya, Krishna is relating with the gopis. there are three sets, other gopis, Chandravali and Radharani. So Madhuri also has categories. Then next, among there are two parties of gopis, one headed by Radharani, one by Chandravali. And among them, Radharani is best. So the highest relationship, the highest Krishna consciousness you can imagine, Prabhupada says, nobody can compare to the Krishna consciousness of Radharani. In fact, she so much excels in her devotion to Krishna, she captures Krishna. Therefore, we always approach Krishna through Radharani, that is Hare Krishna Mantra. We are praying to Hare, Radharani, to give us shelter of Krishna. Through Radharani we are going to Krishna. This is the Ashtagopis and this is a beautiful Mayapur temple. Radha. Okay? So we can understand this. So from knowledge of Bhagavatam, we can go to straight to Goloka to serve Radha Krishna. Okay? I think my short presentation ended. It's fine, something you understand. Now the Jhulan party is ready. 15 minutes a day, so somebody can do Kirtan. Prabhuji. You can do here, okay? Hare Krishna. Please welcome our center. All of you know, I think, is in Nantur near Chef's Restaurant. Every Sunday evening, 7 o'clock, we have a program. Okay? Please do visit. I think you will get the address now. Also, we have a class, daily class on the TV. All of you know the TV channel, V4 News channel. Daily, there is a class at 6:30. Please don't miss it. Second. Okay? Daily class on Gita in the morning. 2. Third thing, a lot of people have been asking me, can you create some program for children? We have created Gopal Fun School every Sunday at 10 o'clock, 5 to 15 years for them. And for the elders, at the same time, there is journey of self-discovery. So please take an advantage and opportunity. As such, our program is on Sunday evening. But also, there is something which we know, which is called a bridge course. Just like when you join a college, they have something called a bridge course. Take some time to get tuned to the college. So similarly, when you open Bhagavad Gita, some words you may not know. So our humble contribution as teachers is to bridge course. This will be like a bridge course for you, then you can join our regular programs. Starting from this Sunday, 4 sessions for journey of self-discovery, and Prahlada School will continue, or we say Gopal Fun School, every Sunday 10 to 12. Okay, so please take advantage. I have kept registration forms, so you can register, because we can only have a limited number of people. We don't have a very huge place. Hare Krishna. Thanks for coming. Now, these are all devotees who are visiting from different parts of the world. They have come all the way from Brazil, from Hungary, from America to join your Janmashtami festival. Shri Prabhupada ki Jai.
So after 10 minutes, the Jula Yatra will start and everybody can swing Krishna. So, just wait 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes only. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Devotees, please fall into queue for Dulan Yatra, Dulan Seva. All of you, please come.
Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Devotees, please come for Dulan Seva. Please fall in queue.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare
అంటే ఫుల్ ఫ్లవర్ డిస్టర్బ్ అవునట విత్ అన్నమాట